Corruption in Zimbabwe is now so severe that the International Monetary Fund, IMF, has intervened, urging the Zimbabwean government to address the embarrassing levels of state-sponsored corruption. Asipere mushe muri Zimbabwe, taona kuti aiwa Zimbabwe ingatonzi yatova number 1 panhau dzecorruption idzi. Ndoda kuti IMF yasvika pakuti ho ndovasimudza maoko kudai. Sambira mashuka kudai nyogo panapa na hope uchikuno ndoti bva subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. Notambira nyora chiti Zimbabwe is now the most corrupt country in sub-Sahara Africa, where $87 million can be looted through a presidential GOAT project that never materializes, yet the millions disappear and the hospitals are left without even paracetamol. The public intervention by the International Monetary Fund is one of many public rebukes against the Mnangagwa regime, which seems indifferent to global opinions about the historic corruption. The fact that even the IMF is calling out the Mnangagwa regime for its corruption is a huge red flag. Zvinhu zvinotosirisa kwazvo mhuri yeZimbabwe. Aiwa uchiona kuti aiwa the government of Zimbabwe iri kutokona kumanager its resources pamwe chete nekumanager macrooks avo kana vanobata vari corrupt. IMF yapererwa. Tudze mafungiro enyu pinda mucomment section medu. Don't subscribe or like. Chinotina on the bell icon.